Also guys, welcome back to another video. So I showed you guys in one of the videos that how I sprayed this vehicle. I didn't spray the vehicle, but I got the vehicle sprayed 2K black with some gloss mixed inside. But the only thing that was like boring about the car was the wheels. Like I put a new exhaust tailpipe, which I'm going to show you at the end of this video. And now currently I'm on my way to fetch some new wheels for the car. Obviously it's not brand new, it's second hand, but it's a really good deal. Not going to give away the price, but I'm going to fetch the wheel. I'm going to find a nice spot to show you how it looks and do some cinematics, so stay tuned till then. Yeah guys, so you can see this is a wheel. Come on, show you guys. Obviously it's a second hand wheel, but versus, and it's a three-step wheel. We got some 195 50 R15 tires. These are my tires. The front are not so bad, but the front is worn out. Can you guys see here? My front shock is giving me a problem. So even though we got like a 40 mil drop here, it's clipping my tire. I need to get that sorted out. But I just want to get the car sprayed, want to put some wheels, and the next thing is to get some coilovers to the vehicle. These wheels does need some refurbishment. You see it's clear, it's peeling. It needs to get it needs to get refurbished basically. But yeah, the back is a bit high, I know that. Heated springs. But I'm not focusing too much on the suspension. The camber and stuff is a bit off. But if you guys notice, can you see that the camber is off? It's like too much of offset, like camber is like that. But I'm gonna get all of that sorted out. The basics of the car is done. We got a nice black spray paint on it. Got the chrome handles. You guys can see the chrome handles. Then I wanted this wheel here to break it up with the vehicle. So guys, what do you think? Hope you guys like the way this car is going. But so it's a 2003. It was a 1.4. I made it to 1.6 2003 model. Last of the old spec. I changed the doors, changed the door pads. I like the rough skin old spec dash, so I'm keeping it. But I hope you guys like content like this. I know it's not repairing stuff, but I have to break it up. Certain guys just like to see nice things, so I know it's nothing fancy. We don't have no air suspension, we don't have no coilovers as yet. There's nothing special about the vehicle, but what do you guys think? Hope you guys like the direction that the car is going in, and until the next time.